Do you love hot apple pie? Or what about that sweet, decadent cheesecake? Well, today on What It Looks Like Homemade, we're going to combine apple pie and cheesecake. We're gonna sprinkle some caramel on there. We're gonna make caramel apple cheesecake egg rolls. That's what we're gonna do today on What It Looks Like. It is going to be fantastic. Wait until you see it. And now this is going to be really easy to make. You only need 6 ingredients to make it. That's all you need. So that's what we're gonna do today on What It Looks Like. And we're gonna show you what it costs. On top of what it looks like, what it costs, we're gonna tell you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and wait till you see what it looks like. So it's coming up now on What It Looks Like Homemade. All right, listen, here we go. You don't know how to cook, I'ma teach you now. Stir fry cheesecake, apple pie. Get your mind right, you ain't gotta ask why. I can do this all night, let me show you how. Everything tastes good when you follow me. Make your friend ask, can I get the recipe? We turn lemons into lemonade. Get your cooking skills and upgrade on what it looks like homemade. What it looks like homemade. What it looks like homemade. Homemade. Alright, today we are headed into Publix. We're going to make this delicious caramel apple cheesecake egg rolls. Oh man, it sounds so good. The thing about these egg rolls, these cheesecake egg rolls, is that you only need technically 6 ingredients. That's it, 6 ingredients. Of course, the first thing we're gonna need is some caramel. I really want this one here. It's $5.89. All right, next we need some cinnamon powder. This one, only $2.39. And then we need some brown sugar. Go to light brown sugar, $1.69. And then we need a block of cream cheese, $3.69. All right, we're gonna get a couple of apples. Now I prefer the Granny Smith apples when it comes to this type of a dish because the sweetness and the tartness really blends well together. But if I were to eat an apple, I would not eat the green apple at all because I don't like the way it tastes by itself. We'll get 2 of these, that looks good. These are $2.04 a pound. And then finally we can get our egg rolls. That one's $3.49 each.
How are you today?
Good, good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. We're doing the apples. $3.83. Egg rolls. You're much faster than I am. I'll be here all day.
You want me to do slowly?
No, that's good. Now, the first thing we want to do is peel the skin off the apple. Now, if you like the skin on there on your, like say in your apple pie, you can leave it on. But for me, I prefer to have it off. That way I can get the nice smooth texture of the apples in every bite. Just gonna peel this off. Now, I'm only using 1 apple to start, but I may use more than 1. It just kind of depends on how much you want to make. But we're gonna use this nice little apple core here. If you don't have one of these, it's highly recommended to get one. It makes it a lot easier to do. There you go. Be careful not to cut yourself. All right, perfect. Now we just want to cut each one into bite-sized pieces that can fit nice and neat into our caramel apple cheesecake egg roll. We're gonna put all these into a bowl. Because we're gonna use it, we're gonna make our mixture here. So first we need to make our apple pie filling. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce, pour it right over the apples. We get all of that caramel out of there, or caramel, depending on where you're from, I suppose. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and a 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm going to mix it all in there nice and good. I want all of the apples to be coated the best you can. It's already smelling really good. All right, and for the coating of the egg roll, we want to mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. Just mix it all up nice and good. All right, that is ready to go. All right, now it's time to put it all together. So we're gonna put a thin layer of cream cheese right here in the center, just like that. And then with our apple mixture, just pour some in here. Then you want to just kind of wet your fingers and just kind of wet the outside of the egg roll here. I'm going to fold it up together. Put that on our pan. That's 1 down. So we're going to make 6 of them. All right, next we want to coat each one with some oil. It's going to make it nice and crispy. I'm using olive oil. And then we're going to bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to check it so that you don't overcook it. All right, now while the egg rolls are still hot, I'm going to take them and roll them around into our sugar mixture here. Get it coated there. I'm going to pour some caramel over here. Oh man, that looks so good. What it looks like is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at the crust on there. Look at that caramel drizzling on top. Oh, it looks so wonderful. Look on the inside right here. Look at that cream cheese with the apples in there. Oh, this is going to be a great dessert. It did not take long, but man, it looks fantastic. Now, I think it will look even better if you put it in like an air fryer or if you deep fried it. But deep frying is not really that healthy, so I chose not to do that. Everyone more than likely has an oven, so that's the way I chose to go. But if you have an air fryer, that would turn out really good too. But even baking it, as you can see here, it turns out fantastic. It looks really, really delicious. Oh, it smells delicious. Ooh, it smells good. You can smell the cream cheese in there, the apples, the caramel, the cinnamon. I mean, you smell every single ingredient in here. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, this is gonna be so wonderful. I can't wait to hear someone tell me that they made this this dessert here, because it's fantastic. It smells absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to dig into it. All right, the moment of truth, here we go. Ooh, this is good. This is sticky. Oh man. The apples from here mixes so well with the cream cheese. Oh, this is so good. The bottom of the crust, it cooked up kind of crispy, which makes it really chewy, but it is delicious. I mean, I'm really enjoying this. And now this, if you like ice cream with apple pie, I think ice cream would go really good with this one right here, because it is so good. With the caramel drizzled on top there, and you put some ice cream next to it. Oh, woo, that's gonna be so good. Man, this is delicious. And you saw how easy it was to make. You know, I'm gonna stop talking. I want to take me another bite. Fantastic. Oh, the tartness from the apple is not too tart, but man, it blends. It tastes so good with the cinnamon. Oh, I have to be careful that I don't eat like all of it. Like I could just eat the whole thing, all 6 pieces by myself. That's how good it tastes. But don't do that. Don't eat all 6. Now you get a major sugar rush if you did that. But outside of this, man, what it looks like homemade, you've done it again. This dessert, fantastic. Oh, it's so good and so easy. So again, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave that below. If you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see on what it looks like homemade, let me know. I got plenty of recipes coming to you. So just stay tuned. As always, I thank you for following. If you have not subscribed to this channel, why not go ahead and do it today? What is the holdup? Like, why would you wait to subscribe to what it looks like homemade? I don't understand. So just go ahead and get it done. Don't procrastinate, make it happen. Thank you again for watching What It Looks Like Homemade.